AVR Swarnamahanin Easy Money for Gold.
டெக்கன் ரமீன் வீக்லி லீடர் போர்டில் கலந்துக்கிட்டு எக்ஸைட்டிங் கேச்சஸ் அண்ட் கோல்ட் காயின்ஸை வெல்லும் வாய்ப்பை பெறுங்க.
I didn't believe, like, I actually pushed her out and then, like, suddenly I'm like, oh my god, I have a baby on top of me.
ஒண்ணுமே சொல்லாம நம்ம கையை இன்சர்ட் பண்ணோம்னா அப்படின்னு அந்த பெயின் இஸ் வெரி. The water birth is where the woman is in body of water, whether it's a deep water tub or wherever. That's where we are looking at in the current scenario. Adula the mother basically feels very very comfortable. Baby and the water la porakkarche baby drown aidada illa and the water swallow pannada. That is the question.
Will middle class people be able to afford this? Is it like really expensive and all? I think I will answer for them that நான் வந்து நிறைய ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போயிருந்தேன். I'm talking about private hospitals. Honestly, நான் வெறும் அந்த காஸ்ட் கேட்டே வந்து I was like, do we need to have a baby?
Ask them pointed questions. உங்களோட cesarean rate என்ன? Many doctors will take exception to that. And the first 90 minutes is the baby's imprint of the lifetime. This is what people have to understand.
I think பாதி பேருக்கு வந்து fear itself. The reason why I started doing this fear is like, ma'am, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து படத்துல பார்த்து oh my god, it's going to be so painful, இப்படி கத்த போறாங்க, அப்படி பண்ண போறாங்க.
Somebody asked a nice question. Is it possible for obese women? These things men should see. It's one of the most beautiful experiences ever.
The water birth is where the woman is in a body of water, whether it's a deep water tub or wherever. That's where we are looking at in the current scenario. Adula the mother basically feels very very comfortable. Number velilende when we come from outside, when you are very tired, one of the best things that we know works really well is a nice shower. So water has a calming effect.
Yes.
It releases the stress. And then it makes the woman feel reasonably comfortable that this is my space. So the private space, so once you are in the tub, you can't really, intervene in there too much. So generally, unless the woman has some other condition where, there may be an extra bleed, or she has got very bad high blood pressure, or her bag of waters has been broken for several days, or anything where we know needs emergency assistance, water birth is super, super safe. Next question is, baby and the water la porakkarche baby drown aidada illa and the water swallow pannada. That is the question. So, and Shruti, you had answered this in one of your, and the post you had answered that. Exactly. So in that, the baby is in the womb, it's in a watery environment. Velila varacheyum, we are not keeping the baby inside the water for long period. It just comes out and comes on to the mother. So generally, until the baby air is touching the baby's face, and there is a pressure differential which is there from the inside pressure to the outside pressure, the baby will not take its first breath. There is something called a dive reflex which is activated. So breathing does not happen. So breathing agalanna, the cord which is still nourishing the baby inside the womb is still going to nourish the baby in that moment of transition. Right. So what happens is, when the baby comes out, it is a gentler environment for the baby. It's a gentler environment for so the transition or gentler from the womb watery environment to the watery environment outside, and it's a very gentle welcome to the baby.
I think பாதி பேருக்கு வந்து fear itself. The reason why I started doing this fear is like, ma'am, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து படத்துல பார்த்து oh my god, it's going to be so painful, இப்படி கத்த போறாங்க, அப்படி பண்ண போறாங்க. And the moment I said, like, எனக்கு நகுல் வந்து I want him to be next to me, not many people agreed to that. They said, no, your husband can't be inside. I'm like, no, I will not give birth if my husband is not inside. Because now, the person who we trust so much, who we are comforted easily by, and நம்ம பயந்தா வந்து யார் வந்து பக்கத்துல வேணும்னு சொல்லுவோம்.
இல்ல மேம், actually from the start, even about children, we were like, we weren't like, okay, கல்யாணம் ஆயிடுச்சு, now we'll have children. அப்படி இல்ல. We wanted to, take our time and children maybe not அந்த மாதிரி கூட இருந்தோம் நாங்க. So to her to make up her mind, she came to one state like, okay, now it's time to have children. I was like really happy about it. So I wanted her to be as comfortable as possible with it. But then ஒவ்வொரு restrictions இருந்தது. இந்த மாதிரி நக்குல் இருக்க கூடாது, அப்புறம் இல்ல நம்ம இப்படிதான் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படிதான் பண்ணுவோம். You know, she started getting even more fearful and panic. ஒரு மாதிரி panicல இருந்தா. And plus 6 months ஆயிடுச்சு, 6 or 7 months ஆயிடுச்சு. என்னடா பண்றது? That's the time.
It was very surreal.
She did all the research, and then when she came to you, I still remember, ma'am, the first thing she told me, ma'am was with me on the on a video call for 45 minutes. That's the first time we have ever spoken so much.
I think you were working out that night.
Yes, ma'am.
It was a nice call, and she. Yes, absolutely.
And I still remember, ma'am, it's fresh in my head. I remember you telling the first thing that you said, you know, the process of giving birth should be like the process of making the child, you know. That was with love. Correct. That's what is most important. It's the same way.
Yes.
That thing struck a chord, and I was like, okay, ma'am, this is a place we are going.
Overnight, ma'am.
I was Googling while I was talking to you. I was like finding Sanctum births in Hyderabad, even better. Chalo, we're doing this.
And I'm telling like, let's finish the class first. Class முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we'll sit into no, you listen to the class. I'm like searching for a place to stay. I'm searching closest place to stay next to Sanctum. I'm like, okay, like where, like we have to get an e-pass.
Best decision of our lives, ma'am. Ma'am, we are very adventurous.
Thank you.
And this was the best thing in our life. Today, I'm saying I can proudly tell Akira tomorrow our story that this is how you were born. Ma'am, I'm telling you, these things men should see. It's one of the most beautiful experiences ever. I didn't know anything about this until Shruti actually started doing research about it. And then following her journey, I learned so many things. And these things are so nice. It's so beautiful. And now I really know why women, you know, get that respect that they deserve, you know. They do. I mean, why they are like that, why they're looked at as goddesses. And man, you're fabulous, man.
Thank you so much. But again, traditionally think how women have given birth. Women have given birth surrounded by other women who have been comforting, knowledgeable overall to the bodily process. They may not be knowledgeable about the medical process, but then we have made it a medical event. Your grandmoms, when they gave birth, they were surrounded by other women. So women or caring and comfort automatically comes as a part of the genetic DNA. I think that when another woman's laboring, you sort of understand that she just needs you to be by her side. She needs you to sort of tell her that things will be all right. ஏன்னா அந்த டயத்துல ஒரு அம்மாக்கு என்ன வேணும்? All she needs is to say, "Aidumma, you are okay. Your baby is okay." நம்ம அந்த டயத்துல when we land up running here and there and looking for people and looking for instruments, or we land up moving here and there, that mother is distracted from the process of giving birth. There is a difference between vocalizing pain and there is a difference between unprepared, almost, how shall I say, or fearful cry pandrathu is very different than vocalizing and verbalizing that எனக்கு இந்த discomfort இருக்கு, ஐயோ how long more. That is a very different thing. Every mother at some point goes through that, இல்லையா? But when you are ஒண்ணுமே சொல்லாம நம்ம கையை இன்சர்ட் பண்ணோம்னா அப்படின்னு அந்த pain is very different from saying, oh கொஞ்சம் pain இருக்கு. I usually tell the mom, if you want hold my hand, or if you want hold your partner's hand, and you're preparing, சரி ஒரு சின்ன prick ஆக போறது, அதுவே நம்மளுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, without knowing when you prick. That's a terrible pain because your mind's not prepared, your body is not prepared. So that's where the respectful care comes from. And I again and again say, respectful care, physiological birth keeps the mother and baby safe.
And I think a lot of them were asking, will middle class people be able to afford this? Is it like really expensive and all? I think I will answer for them that நான் வந்து நிறைய ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போயிருந்தேன். I'm talking about private hospitals, not about government hospitals. Lot of private hospitals did quote like they just like, you know, இப்போ கோவிட் இருக்கு, இது இருக்கு, அது இருக்கு, இந்த டெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும், அது பண்ணணும், இது பண்ணணும், and they just like, you know, dumped in a lot of things on us. And I've also got quotes from my friends who delivered from, you know, top hospitals and all of that. And honestly, நான் வெறும் அந்த காஸ்ட் கேட்டே வந்து I was like, do we need to have a baby? அப்படி நினைச்சிருக்கேன் நான்.
Mm. Mm.
Because like, having a baby is not just only about the birth. It's about like, like a lifelong thing. Would you be able to provide well for the child and things like that? And honestly speaking, in Sanctum, whatever the private hospitals quoted, our cost was less than half of what they quoted us in Sanctum. And I'm talking only for Sanctum. I'm not sure about other birthplaces, natural birthplaces, but in Sanctum we have our it was, I think,
No, what was really required? It
Yeah.
wasn't some exorbitant.
exorbitant
What
thing.
is
Yeah, what is required, it was
what
there.
is needed? Correctly, it was very correct, man. And I was shocked. I was like, what? Really? Okay.
We were
Great stuff.
shocked.
Somebody asked a nice question. Is it possible for obese women?
So obese women garde again it is about the fitness. It is not just about the weight. So we have had women who have 37 kgs give birth, and we have had 125 kg women give birth. The idea is that fitness levels, mental preparation, physical preparation is important. And the other thing is, in case of an emergency, the facility and the people should be able to get her out quickly. So there is a
Right.
certain category of obesity where I would myself not feel comfortable to get her inside, because what if she's bleeding and I can't get her out? But generally,
Right.
if I think if there is a good level of if the mom's active, the labor is moving well,
True.
and if we have measures to bring her out, then I think we are all right. One of the things that they should do is to at least go to 3 care providers. These are my general tips to people. At least visit 3 care providers. Find out who is, like you said, Nakul, willing to talk to them, who makes you feel warm, comfortable, welcome, right? Ask them pointed questions. Ungaloda cesarean rate enna? Many doctors will take exception to that.
Oh.
And they think that because it's in India, we are not mandated to reveal cesarean rates, at least private hospitals. Central government last couple of years back, there was a big petition. So central government, to get central government money, they are supposed to be revealing the cesarean rate. But private hospitals are not mandated. So if it almost feels like, oh, I don't know, I think it is around this. If you say it is around this and around that, then you're beating about the bush. You should exactly know what your cesarean section rates are. That is one.
Right.
And if you go to a place which has a 90% cesarean rate, there is a high chance you will get a cesarean, right? So
Right.
looking for those things are important. Looking for asking questions like, I know the due date cross achana, ungaloda policies and on the due date, only 4% of babies are born on their due date. But as soon as you cross the due date, suddenly 39 weeks, 6 days to 41 weeks, 1 day to any difference, there is no difference, right?
People
But
don't
suddenly
even
because
know.
you're
They
exactly.
don't know that. Here வந்து 36 37th weekல 37 weeks cross ஆயிடுச்சு நம்ம வந்து இப்போ we need to induce you. No,
Ma'am,
I was not induced. My water broke at 6 in the morning and I gave birth past midnight.
ma'am, in
Correct.
layman's term, I'll tell you, fam. If you go to your doctor, and if the doctor gives you prescribes pills to you, you can ask your doctor, what pills
is-
are these and why am I taking? If the doctor says, just shut up and take it, I'm telling you, take it. No, just take it. Run from there.
Yeah.
Hmm? Hmm?
They should explain எதுக்கு அந்த tablets, and I think
You have the
should
right to
ask.
know.
You should ask the questions. Not many of us ask. நம்ம வந்து blind. Even I used to be like that. Okay, doctor saying doctor knows best.
We should have that continuity of care. We are doing whatever we are doing, but suddenly it has to go in for a cesarean, or suddenly it has to have an intervention. That's the time when the mother even more needs us. You have been in the trusting relationship. If I say, okay, you go somewhere else, I don't have ability to take you in for a cesarean section, that becomes very disruptive to the environment. Whereas if you have somebody coming in and I am here, my team is there, but I have my backup gynec also coming in into the team, then it becomes much more of a conducive process where you follow that thing. And when the baby is born, again, like you were saying, Nakul, that gentle cesarean section where we don't necessarily immediately take the baby out and put it on a warmer, where the cord is still allowed to, pulse, where the placenta still comes out gently. Yes, the baby needs to be checked by the pediatrician because we have gone in for more of an emergency cesarean. But at the end of the day, again the baby, immediately the baby comes to the mother's chest.
Yeah.
In
Skin
the,
to skin.
from this down, there is still a sterile area. This up, that it can become a non-sterile area. And actually, the baby Onglot's body is sharing microbes. That makes
Yes.
sense for the baby to get your microbes and the hospital towel microbes. Yeah?
Correct.
So then they come over here. Baby is also looking for food. And the first 90 minutes is the baby's imprint of the lifetime. This is what people have to understand. And the imprints can be either one that I am safe, I am supported, my mother's smell, my mother's heartbeat, my mother's respirations, my mother's warmth is with me, my mother's voice, my father's voice is still cocooning me, or it can come into a sterile world where it does not know anybody's voices, where it's left lying in the warmer, in harsh lights with machines that go ping, 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 and be bundled and given to the grandparents or whoever is waiting outside, and have no connect with the mother and father. So that is a choice that we have. So for us to be able to say that we are giving the best possible start to the baby is not by putting them in the most expensive schools, the most expensive colleges. It is about giving that first connect. And that first connect lands up being able. Go ahead.
It's
You
like
experienced
I
it.
feel Akira was like, I didn't believe, like I actually pushed her out, and then like suddenly I'm like, oh my god, I have a baby on top of me. I think that's what both of us felt. I'm like, oh, I think I told him like, I can't believe I pushed her out.
And that's the best experience ever, ma'am, to meet a human being like that. First time, your first introduction, you meet your child like that. It's unforgettable. It's the best memory ever.
It's like I can still feel her and her cord, like, you know, on me like this, and I'm like just like in disbelief looking at her when you tell that. And unfortunately not many mothers, you know, have that I mean
Skin to skin,
skin to skin. Yeah. நிறைய பேருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி இல்லவே இல்ல, and they don't realize how important it is.
Ma'am, what I think what I want the fan to really know is that it is you giving birth with respect, you know, you giving birth with your choice, what makes you comfortable. And this is not some like just some process that you have to undergo. Okay, now you're pregnant, okay, now you will give birth, now there the child is in your hand. No. It's the best memories of your life, you know.
Absolutely.
So comfort with respect.
AVR Swarnamahanin Easy Money for Gold.
டெக்கன் ரமீன் வீக்லி லீடர் போர்டில் கலந்துக்கிட்டு எக்ஸைட்டிங் கேச்சஸ் அண்ட் கோல்ட் காயின்ஸை வெல்லும் வாய்ப்பை பெறுங்க.